Hello everyone. Today's tech news is number 1. Google brought back Duo, kind of, because its Meet transition is so confusing. The Duo icon launches Google Meet 2022, but not Google Meet Original. Number 2. Watch some robots assemble and test Samsung's newest foldables. Camera tests, water jets, and lots of folding. Samsung made big strides with last year's foldables in terms of durability. The Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 were the first devices in the series to offer serious water resistance and an IPX8 rating. This year's phones aren't a whole lot tougher, but the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are still something of an engineering marvel. We got a glimpse at the foldable assembly line last year, and as the newest Flip and Fold go on sale today, Samsung is giving us another peek at how the sausage is made. And it's pretty flippin' cool. Number 3. Feds are thinking about an antitrust case against Apple. The Department of Justice is working on a draft filing. Number 4. House of the Dragon Season 2 is a go for HBO. Only George R.R. Martin could have seen a twist like this coming. Number 5. Vergecast, Apple Watch rumors, Twitter whistleblowing, and This Week in Streaming. The flagship podcast of audience measurement. Number 6. The Last of Us remake on PS5 will have extensive accessibility options. You'll even be able to feel dialogue through your controller. We're just a week out from the release of Sony's The Last of Us remake for PS5, and on Friday, the company detailed the many accessibility options that will be available in the game. Number 7. Thor: Love and Thunder is coming to Disney Plus on Disney Plus Day, kicking off a weekend of Disney. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.